Hello everyone, I am John Michael Pakuan and today I am going to continue the report of Miss Angel Salvador. Our report is Marriage and Family Law. Protection Against Domestic Violence or RA 9262. Number 1, the scope and coverage. RA 9262 protect women and their children from violence or abuse within the family or domestic environments. Violence can be physical, psychological, sexual, or economic. Number 2, form of abuse. Number 1 under the form of abuse is a physical violence. For example of physical violence like hitting, pushing, stomping, or causing body harm.
Ang physical abuse, amo yaon mga like for example, ginabalda mo ang imo asawa or ginasumbag mo, ginaluok mo or something ginasipa or something it is pwede siya makasuhan under RA 9262.
Number 2, under the form of abuse is a psychological violence. For example of psychological violence is intimidation, threats, harassment, or emotional abuse.
Sa psychological violence naman is kung ginaharas ka imo nga partner or gina-blackmail ka using your photos or anything na mahadlok ka or magkakaroon ka fear sa iya, pwede na siya makasuhan under RA 9262. That is ng very ang psychological abuse or psychological violence rather.
Number 3, under the form of abuse is a sexual violence. For example of sexual violence is forced sexual act, marital rape, and sexual harassment.
Sexual harassment. For example, ang imo nga husband, ginapilit ka makipagtalik pero hindi ka magsugot. That is sexual abuse. That's why pwede na siya makasuhan kung wala sang pahintulot or even you are a married. Kung even kasal ka mo pero hindi ka gusto makipagtalik sa imo nga partner, that is have a pwede ka makasuhan it victim and pwede siya maano as sexual abuse.
And lastly, under the form of abuse is economic abuse. For example of economic abuse is controlling finance, denying access to basic needs, or exploiting economic resources.
So, economic violence. So, sa economic violence, for example, may mana ka galing sa iyong mga magulang. Tapos, yung mana mo is kinuha ng yung partner mo. Pwede siya matawag na economic violence because hindi mo kusang binigay sa kanya yung pamana sa'yo. And one of example is nagtatrabaho ka tapos yung perang kinikita mo is ninanakaw o kinukuha na walang permission galing sa'yo is one of the example of economic violence.
Legal remedies, barangay protection order or BPO issued by the barangay, temporary protection order or TPO issued by the court for immediate relief, permanent protection order or PPO, longer protection issued by the court, criminal liability preparatory for base imprisonment or both support service. Victims may access medical, psychological, and legal assessment.
So, we have a legal remedies. First, if you are a victim of abuses, pwede ka gid kapalapit sa barangay protection order. Pwede ka nila mabuligan para maprotektahan ang imong sarili. That is immediate protection. and may ara man nga temporary protection order nga gina-issue ang korte nga para temporaryo ka nga maprotektahan sa tawo nga nag-abuse sa imo, especially ang imo nga husband. We have PPO or Permanent Protection Order. Ang Permanent Protection Order gina-issue sa korte, it is a long-term protection sa victims sang violence. That's why if wala pa natapos ang kaso na ginaprotektahan if mga otoridad ang victims para hindi siya mabalikan sang suspect sa violence. That's why habang buhay nga protection ng which is not only sa victim pati na rin sa iyang children or sa iyang bata.
Analysis of legal provision. Civil Code or the Family Code ensure that the marriage is entered freely, the spouses have the clear rights and responsibility, and the children are protected. Law emphasize mutual support, fidelity, and parental care.
Ang Civil Code and ang Family Code is gina-ensure nila nga na malaya nga mangita or maghanap ng mapapangasawa ang isang tao. Dapat nang alam nila kung ano yung karapatan nila, and under sa legal code and family code ang protected not only the woman but that the children is protected dyan nga batas. So that is dyan nga batas is protektado ang bilog nga family.
RA 9262 provide a safeguard against abuse, ensuring the victim of domestic violence have immediate and effective legal protections.
Sa RA 9262 is gina-ensure nila kung nga maprotektahan ang mga abuses and ang safeguard mga abuses ng violence. Kaya using this law is naprotektahan and mapanagot ang mga may sala may mga sala sa mga victims, immediate and effective.
Together, these laws promote stability of the family unit through legal marriage and responsibilities, protection of vulnerable members, especially women and children, legal remedies for branches in a family, duties or abusive behavior.
So for our conclusion, understanding this law help families navigate their right and responsibilities, encourage respect and mutual support, and provides legal protection in cases abuses.
And that's the end of my report about the marriage and the family law. Thank you for listening.